This is the brand new Laguna X Spark hot tub. The Laguna X Spark is one of the latest additions to our range and will bring extra value to your home for many years to come. With top of the line jets and a brand new shell design, the Laguna X is a luxurious hot tub that will more than cater for the whole family. At 830mm in height and all sides measuring 2140mm, this 13 amp plug and play hot tub is both easy and affordable to set up and will not take up too much space in your garden. This hot tub features 3 Stormforce 7 jet pumps and 1 dedicated circulation pump that are all controlled using the state-of-the-art Balboa control system. The new and exclusive sparkling black shell design adds a whole new element of luxury and style to this fantastic hot tub and will light up beautifully in a low light setting. The Balboa control system is a leading US manufactured system that allows you full control over which jet groups are active in your hot tub. With the press of a button you can customise your massage however you want and adjust the power using the air control valves dotted around the hot tub shell. Additionally, there are 23 stunning LED mood lights around the shell, 4 backlit fountains, a 10-inch waterfall and a 20-inch waterfall to further enhance your spa experience. There are also powerful Bluetooth speakers, controlled from your Bluetooth device or smartphone, that allow you to listen to your favourite music while enjoying your spa. Designed for user-friendliness, the Laguna X Spark has a convenient drainage system and 2 easy changeable filters to use alongside our chemical kits, which are also available for purchase to keep the water clean and safe. With 1 lounger and 5 seats, this hot tub provides copious space and options for relaxing. Lots of foot space is joined with a foot massage feature for deeper and more relaxing experiences. The Laguna X Spark features 60 adjustable premium CMP hydro massage jets arranged in targeted groups to conserve energy while providing a strong massage. With free delivery and installation, a set of matching steps and an insulating cover, don't miss your chance to purchase the luxurious Laguna X Spark from Blue Whale Spa.